Are you looking for a flow meter for gas flow applications? Are you tired of particles stuck in your flow meter? Do you wish there was an inexpensive and robust flow meter that was able to measure the pressure and flow of your gas system? Wouldn't it be nice to only need a glance to get information about your flow experiment? Oh boy, do we have the device for you. Introducing the Flowto Moto, an all-encompassing flow meter device that is durable, modular, shares visual and audio feedback, and is viable for your applications of low-pressure gas flow. Our team, the Flow-Tastic 5, includes Ian, Bruce, Justin, Yusei, and me, Akshay. The team verified screw capabilities and interference fittings, used an extensive material selection process, and ran simulations to model the fluid flow state to ensure this design works for you. Now, on to the build phase. We can't reveal too much. Check out the Moto approved Floto Moto on design day. DreamWorks, please don't sue us.